a Valentine's Day slime. And we're just going to make red, pinkish slimes. I'm going to do shaving cream as the activator.
And our ingredients are pink dye and slime activator, glue, and shaving cream.
So let's get started. Let's go.
So first you start out with the glue.
I'll tell you when to stop. Good. Okay, let me have some.
So you put your glue in the bowl. And then you get your dye, and then you add it on the tip of your
spoon or whatever you have. I have this mixer.
I have a pink.
That was a lot.
Yeah, it was.
Here, just dab some on mine.
Okay. Then you will mix it in your glue. Mine is really light. I like the color.
I like the color of mine.
Yeah.
It's like a hot, dark pink.
Mine is like a really light bubblegum pink.
Ooh,
I'll show you
it.
I'll show you it on. See? It's pink.
This is what mine is like.
I love it.
It probably looks like red teal,
but it's really, really dark pink. Neon pink. Yeah, it's really
neon.
Yeah,
I'm going to put shaving cream as the activator.
I'm going to put shaving cream then the activator.
No, you can't put both.
Then I'm going to do the shaving cream.
Okay. I'll tell you when to stop.
Good. It's like, and then you mix it.
Farting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa. It's like, oh.
Yeah, mine looks like orange.
Mine looks like a mess. Really.
Oh my goodness. Just take it off with your hand and you have to mix it with your hand.
Oh, it's all shaving creamy.
Shaving creamy.
Okay, I think I added way too much.
I'm
horrible at making slime.
I'm gonna put purple.
The white makes it much more lighter and it's much more like a big bubble gum.
I'm gonna put purple dye on this right here.
She has purple dye in the back, but because I have a huge body, it's in the back. Mine actually turned out.
Wow, look at the colors mixing together. Wow. That's
cool.
Cool.
Okay, this actually turned out good than the last time we tried it.
Yeah.
Horrible.
Last time we tried, Brookies turned really stiff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we forgot to say, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to become part of the notification squad. And subscribe to Cupquake Cutie. That's her channel. We'll maybe put it in the description.
And please say a nice comment that my slime won.
No.
But you mixed yours, so yours is more. Do you
So,
like bubblegum pink or magenta?
Okay, so I hope you guys like this video, and we just want to wish you Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah. And that you would.
Can I feel yours and you feel mine?
That you check. Yeah.
So
yours is different. Should we make another one?
No, I don't want to.
No, we'll both make it a different one.
Then, now I'm just going to show you a close-up peek of my slime.
And my slime.
Me first,
Please
though.
like mine. It looks good in the light.
If you like this video, that means you liked at least one of our slimes.
And please like mine and say in the comments down below that you vote Brookie or Jennifer. Just say, I voted Brookie and I voted Jennifer.
We might post a video on Sunday or whenever. Now you do a close-up of your slime while I get cleaned up.
Look at my slime. You better like mine. Say you're on Team Brookie or Team Jennifer in the comments down below. I love just twirling it around my finger. It's like a really good bubblegum pink color. And it has a good texture of just shaving cream.
So fluffy.
And it doesn't actually stick to my hand.
You put a lot of shaving cream.
Yeah.
Here.
say if you like Team Brookie or Team Jennifer.
Bye.
Bye.